Some people call me anti-Semitic for my opposition to the genos myth of the Palestinian people and the theft of their land by settler colonizers. But evangelicals like Mike Huckabee are over there in Jerusalem praying for the rapture so they can have a front seat of Jesus taking Jewish people off the census. But I'm the bad guy. I do think Israelis could have their own state. I just think that state should be Utah. And they should fight it out with the Mormons. Or they can work together, like they did to take out Charlie Kirk.
Hey, second allegedly. Hey,
Allegedly.
don't sue us.